Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Power on your Motorola phone's Bluetooth, and make sure the Bullets Wireless Z2 have juice. Once done, power the earbuds into pairing by holding the power/control button until the LED or voice prompt indicates pairing mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth scan is active so it can discover new devices. Do not skip removing other active connections. Those can auto-reconnect and block pairing. Now watch for the device labeled Bullets Wireless Z2 to appear in the list. When Bullets Wireless Z2 shows up, tap it to initiate pairing and accept any prompts quickly. This is the actual handshake that creates the link. Once paired, make sure media and call audio are enabled in the device entry so music and phone calls route correctly. If you need better quality or lower latency, open Advanced Bluetooth settings and choose preferred codecs or battery optimization options. Make sure the earbuds show connected. If they don't, rerun Discovery and try again with Bluetooth toggled off and on. Finish by playing audio to confirm both media and call audio route correctly, and adjust phone volume and inline controls on the Bullets. Once connected, enable Auto Reconnect in Bluetooth settings so the Motorola phone remembers the earbuds. If connection repeatedly fails, turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices, reboot your phone. Then reset the Bullets into factory pairing mode. Hold the earbuds power control per the device behavior until LEDs flash and repeat pairing. That fix clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.